Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be playing with some builder gel. Now my nails are thin and I have been doing the gel polish. I love the gel polish. We will be playing with gel polish in the next video. We're going to do a Halloween-ish style design with like maybe some purples and some greens. Last week I had oranges. I didn't do that one for you guys. I'm sorry. We will do another orange one before Halloween gets here. But I got this at Sally's. Is the IBD hard gel builder gel in pink. You do have to have the lamp to use this. I've never used it before, so me and you are going to play together. I bought a few accoutrements to go with it, a brush and a little pot for some alcohol for slip. And I'm going to put my hair back and move you guys down, and we're going to play with the builder gel just to build up my nails. I do have short nails and I do plan on keeping them short. I don't plan on lengthening them with a gel tip. I just want to add some strength and like a bounder or like a protection layer with the gel. And speaking of hair, yes, I chopped my hair. I'm going to let the gray back out. There's not much in the back, as you guys can see. But I am going to be letting the gray grow out. So I'm going to put this part up just so it's not in my face while we're trying to do this. And I do have a couple of wigs coming, guys. It's getting cold again. My hair has grown back in. It has grown back in like thicker than it was. It's kind of crazy. It's grown back in curlier than it was, but I still love my wigs. I still love playing with wigs, love changing up the color, changing up the style. So I do have a couple more wigs coming, and I do like wearing them in the colder months, just because I'm a hot-natured premenopausal woman. But let's get into this builder gel and see what we can do. It may be a total wreck. It may work. I don't know. We're going to find out together. So I'm going to pause you for a second and move you down, and we'll try. Okay, I've moved you guys down. I have a light back in my makeup mirror. It's a little different than the light that was there, but I think it still helps. And I can move, oops, we're going to move this light down. I should have already done all that, right? This light can come down, come around this way. So I have this builder gel. It's about $16.99 at Sally. The little pot came from Sally's. I think it was $2. It just has alcohol in it. And I have a brush for the gel. This was under $10, I believe. But if you went and had gel done on your nails, how much would that cost? Somebody let me know down below. Okay, so this just has regular alcohol in it. I'm going to loosen up that brush. And I've got down several paper towels here. Actually, I'm going to move this lamp. And we're going to move this guy over because you are sitting on another paper towel. So here's what we're going to do. I've already took the top off, and there's what it looks like. I did get pink because I just want this for, like I said, a protection layer on my nails. I am going to take one of these, Sally's Beauty. It's a lint-free. And I'm going to take my dehydrator that came out of my other little Sally's, which is basically, I think, basically rubbing alcohol. I don't know. But you can just use rubbing alcohol. And my nails, I took the gel polish off last night. And my nails are looking pitiful from using the e-file. So, dehydrated. That did come in the little kit. Move some of the stuff out of the way. I did do my makeup the other day. We rode up to the mountains. It was so pretty. So this is the Beetles Foundation Gel. And from the videos I have watched, they say to do a thin coat of the gel, and I'm trying to keep that from pooling up at my cuticle. So I'm going to take a little orange wood stick here and just go around to be sure. Nothing is pulling up at my cuticle area. All right, I'm going to do both hands, and we're going to cure this in the lamp for 1 minute. This is beetles. It takes 1 minute on the cure time. I'm going to go ahead and do both hands and cure it, and then we'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I have base coated all of my nails, and I'm going to take my lamp and scoot it over a hair. So now we have the gel, we have some alcohol, and we have a brush. So again, I have never used this. I have been watching some videos. I'm going to pick up a very small amount, and it looks like they just kind of pat it. And you can like swirl it around to like break the little stringy gel bit there, and just pat. I'm doing just a thin layer. I don't want anything like really thick. This is supposed to be self-leveling. Just pulling it out to the tip here. And what I've seen is if you hold your like finger upside down, it self-levels. And I'm going to stick that straight. Since it does self-level, in there for 60 seconds. If you've ever tried Builder Gel, please let me know. Because this is, like I said, first time trying this, so I have no idea. I have an extra kitty in the house today, so his name is Pedro. He's usually outside. He is a Manx bobtail. Him and Lulu are playing, so if you hear like crazy stuff start happening, they're chasing each other around the house. They're playing. That adds a really pretty shine in it. Even though it says pink, you can see through it. So let's try another nail here. I don't need much. My nails are tiny, and so it's just a goopy little bit of gel, and I'm just going to put it kind of in the center. And I've seen people give it like a swirl. I don't know why. I think that's to help just kind of break that little stringy bit. And again, I'm just doing a very, I've seen them go back and forth to work it. I think I have a piece of fuzz, so I'm going to get that out of there. And I'm going to hold my nail upside down, and we're going to cure it. So I'm going to do that to all my fingers, and then we'll be back, guys. Okay, so I did this hand. They're all done, and I just took some more of the slip solution, and this does have a sticky top layer, so I'm just taking a lint-free pad, and we're getting off all of that sticky top layer. I did put my thumb doing freight, so it's got a little bit of a boo-boo. So just getting off any of that sticky residue. And look how shiny they already look, just from that little thin base coat of gel. And guys, that looks really good. I mean, to never have played with it before. And like I said, this is just a really thin coat. And I have already filed my nails, but I'm just going to go back over a little bit here. And just if I got anything like under the nail, because I have already shortened my nails pretty good, and I don't want to go hardly any shorter. Okay, little duster here. I think we're ready for gel polish. What do you guys think? So yeah, this was very easy to work with, actually. I just basically painted it on like nail polish. You just have to kind of pat and smooth and pat and smooth. And if you get it on your skin, just take your alcohol, dab the brush, and clean up around any areas. Actually, very easy to work with. If you want to see a full hand done, like a full hand done in a longer video, let me know. I just didn't want to bore you guys with like a full hand of me just sitting there dabbing on gel. But now we are ready to do some gel polish. So if you want to see that video, and it will be a little bit longer because we're going to completely play with gel polish, I'm going to take this little guy and turn it around. So that is a clean surface now. Get the cap on this guy, which has alcohol in it, and we're done. That's easy peasy gel. See where my nails lift? All right, guys, time for gel polish. I'll see you guys on the next one.